In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AI assistant in Monday.com. We'll begin on the home page of your Monday.com account. This is your hub for everything happening across your work, so it's a great place to start. If you're not already on home, use the left navigation to get there. From here, you'll have a clear view of your workspaces and boards so you can quickly jump into the right area. Next, open your workspaces. Workspaces are the containers that organize your teams, projects, or departments. Choose the workspace that holds the project you want to work on with AI. Keeping your boards organized by workspace makes it easier for the assistant to reference the right context as you work. Now, select the board you want. Boards are where your items, groups, and columns live, and the AI assistant draws a lot of value from the information already on a board. Pick the board that contains the tasks or data you want help with, whether that's planning, tracking updates, or brainstorming content. If you have multiple views, any of them will work. The assistant ties into the board itself. At the top of the board, click Sidekick. This is Monday.com's built-in AI assistant. You'll find it in the top bar. Clicking it opens a panel where you can chat with the assistant. If you don't see Sidekick, it may be turned off for your account, but when it's available, it's just a click away and ready to help based on the board you're viewing. In the Sidekick panel, type your message and press Enter to send. You can ask for summaries of the board's current status, help drafting task descriptions, turning notes into action items, or brainstorming next steps. Be specific about what you want. For example, say, summarize this board's high priority items for this week, or draft an update for the design task using the details in the description column. The more context you provide, the better the results. You can refine by following up, just like a conversation. Ask it to make the tone more concise, add bullet-style structure to a draft, or narrow the focus to a specific group or time frame. If your prompt references an item by name, ensure it matches what's on the board so Sidekick can find it. And remember, you're always in control. Review what Sidekick produces and adjust before you share or apply changes. That's it. Start on home, choose your workspace, open the right board, click Sidekick at the top, and type your message. With clear prompts and the board's context, Sidekick becomes a powerful partner for planning, writing, and moving work forward.